Sophia's favorite snack. Sara ya? Sara. Oh, isa. Taho is made with soy milk, gelatin, tapioca pearls, condensed, and caramelized sugar. Per glass is 10 pesos. You want Pia? Pia, go get. Yay! Come here. Salamat. Ako Ragonet.